Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I'm here to show you how you can download Budget Planner app on your Android smartphone. Budget Planner app is simply an application that can help you keep track of your expenses on your day-to-day life. So to download the application, you just need to go onto a Play Store, and after going on Play Store, search for Budget Planner like I already did. And with the app we are looking for, it's called Wallet Budget Planner Tracker. Go on to that application and you can see there is an install button on your screen. Depending upon the speed of your Wi-Fi connection, the application would be installed on your Android smartphone. As you can see, the application has been installed on my smartphone. Now you can open the app and use its feature to keep track of your budget on your day-to-day expenses. If you find our video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. This much for this video. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.